Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Jose Ramos Fit, a personal trainer, flight attendant, and a model. I'm here to help you out achieve your goal. This channel, for those of you joining this channel as of right now, is all about helping you out to stay fit on the go. As a personal trainer and a flight attendant, we have a busy life and always on the go. So this is the reason why I came up with this book called A Step-by-Step Guide on How to Stay Healthy on the Go. This is mainly for any traveler, anyone that's on the go, anyone that has a 9 to whatever, 6, 7, 8 o'clock job that doesn't have a lot of time to eat healthy. So we often find excuses to say I cannot meal prep because I'm going into a international destination. I cannot meal prep because I don't have the time. Remember this, guys, you must make the time. If your body matters, you must make the time to meal prep, to eat healthy, to make the right choices on the go. Doesn't matter where you are in the world, and even if you're working, not working, on vacation, you must make the right choices because the choices that you make today are going to lead to your results tomorrow. Keep that in mind. I have just meal prepped a 3-day trip, and it starts tomorrow, leaving out of Miami, and then the first location that we're gonna be going to is Puerto Rico, and then we go to Cancun, which means that whatever meal I was able to meal prep, I have to be very smart by meal prepping the right food and by saving the right foods in operation. Because if I leave it in the fridge, then what I'm doing is I'm saving it from one, not getting thrown out. Because if you bring food into, chicken or let's say raw meat or any type of different food in a country that you're not allowed to be bringing it into, then you can also get a penalty for doing that. So that being said, I'm gonna leave my food. Let's say if I have turkey, I'm gonna leave that turkey and the operations, and then once I get back to Miami, right? Because I'm a Miami-based flight attendant, then what I'm going to do is have my turkey or chicken or steak. I don't eat steak as much, but that's just an example. So just keep that in mind, guys. I'm gonna show you guys now what I was able to meal prep for a 3-day trip going to Puerto Rico and Cancun. Stay tuned. What I was able to meal prep was an organic riced cauliflower, which is a 100% vegetables, gluten-free, no sauce or seasoning. It has 4 grams only of carbs, 85% fewer calories than normal rice. We also have inside the cauliflower that is sweet potatoes with onion. The seasoning that I was able to put in there was salt, pepper, and 21 seasoning, which is an Italian seasoning. Here we have a kale salad, is quinoa and kale, and that one also has no seasoning inside, which I didn't add any more seasoning since on this one, remember, everything is a balance. I added salt and seasoning and pepper. On this one, I didn't add anything. It's just the kale and the quinoa. The turkey is ground turkey, and the way I cooked it was with salt, pepper, and olive oil. That's it. Salt, pepper, olive oil. Oh, wait a minute. And I added a little bit of paprika. So paprika, pepper, salt. That's all it has inside. Remember, keep it light. As you can see, there's no grease in there. It's clean. Whatever olive oil I ended up adding was very, very little. Everything is a balance. Keep that in mind. We also have the mixed nuts. Do not forget your healthy snacks, no matter where you go. Here we have spinach, a lemon, and very important, this is tortilla. So we have a healthy tortilla on this side right here. There's 3 of them, and guess what I have inside? There's eggs, turkey sausage, and cheese inside of those, which means that I have 3 breakfasts if I wanted to, right? or I can use that as a meal as well, along with a green tea or even a chamomile before I go to sleep. Here I have snacks. This is a whole grain bun, which is with blueberries inside as well. And those I can use it as snack with what? With my peanut butter. On here I have 2 overnight oatmeals. Here is the overnight oatmeals is consist of quick oats or old-fashioned oats. We have chia and we have hemp seeds, along with a little bit of honey just for sweetness, and also some almond butter right in there. And that's basically it. So I have 1 and 2 and everything that you see in here. That is for my 3-day trip. Remember, keep in mind that if you're going to an international destination, just make sure you be smart and just bring in the food that you are supposed to be bringing in, not anything else. I kind of forgot to show you my sweet potato. That sweet potato is also coming with me. And that's basically it. Guys, thank you so much for watching this YouTube channel. I'm here only to help you achieve your personal life goals. As a flight attendant, whatever you saw on this video is what I do on a daily basis. I make sure that I eat healthy. Why? Because 80% of your results come from the kitchen and 20% only from your workouts. So make sure that you're eating healthy. Make sure that you're making the right decisions, because making the right decisions will only lead you to the great results that you want to see in your life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. And also continue to check out the videos that I keep posting weekly for more recipes, more workouts. And if you have any comments, anything that you want to see differently on this YouTube channel, just leave a comment below, because we are here for you. See you again on the next episode of Jose Ramos Fit.